All right, so as you know, we've been trying to get the whole home water filtration system so that we can actually drink the water that comes from all of the taps in the house, including the showers and the faucets and obviously all the sinks. But I had run into some issues where I was trying to install it and it was kind of a nightmare because I couldn't find the water feed line for the main house. Turns out I completely missed something because I did find the water feed line to the house and it was actually right under my nose, literally. So if you look right here, originally I thought this was just an elbow, but it actually is coming from the ground. So that is the water feed line, which then feeds the pressure system, which then goes into the house and pressurizes the water in the house. So that made my installation much easier. However, I'd already called the plumber at this point and they actually discovered it with me. So I just went ahead and got them to do it because I didn't want to shoo him away after I'd explained the entire situation. And then I figured, you know, he's here, he's willing to do it the next day. And he was here and he was willing to do the job and his price was very reasonable. And he was actually able to start the very next day. So I just said, okay, you know what, you go ahead and do it. Because he showed me it instead of trying to lie or say he had to do some crazy work like the one quote I had. Whether or not they saw the water feed line, I'm not sure, but I left them in here tinkering for quite some time so they can formulate their quote. But if they did end up seeing it, and any plumber would probably have noticed it, then they tried to charge me an outrageous price. Anyway, so I'll show you what they did yesterday. They were here for a few hours to connect everything and they dry fitted everything. So originally I did want to put the system up here out of the way and keep as much of the floor or the wall space available for future expansions or renovations. So basically we do have the electrolysis machine itself. This is the first pre-filter that comes in with the water. It's going to go up this pipe here into this, I guess, sediment filter, goes into the machine, gets treated, comes back out. There's a secondary sediment filter of some sort. And then the third one's like a carbon filter, which eliminates literally all of the bad stuff and gets rid of the bad taste. And then it comes in and then it feeds the rest of the house. So this is all going to tie back into here at some point. Oh, and then we also got a softener. So it turns out the water in carbon is incredibly hard. So it's all going to actually filter into here first, and then it's going to go into this first sediment filter, then into the machine, then back out. So we're making actual real good progress right now. I did ask the plumbers if I could film them, but they weren't really that keen on it, which I understand. Some people don't like being on camera. So today they're going to come by this afternoon. They're hopefully going to hook everything up and we should be rolling. So the next video update, it should be working and installed, and I'll give you guys a rundown how it works and I'll educate you about the system itself.